been needing. This is, so now we're gonna try to hold this up. Take this last one out. Now I can start taking panels off. Just leave them there.